Okay, today we are talking about electronic air cleaners. So safety first, before you install or maintain an electronic air cleaner, remember to shut the power off first and wear PPE. So here's a ubiquitous electronic air cleaner. It's basically a metal box. There's different manufacturers and makes and models depending on the size of your ductwork and your HVAC system. They range anywhere from $400 to $1,000 plus the install cost. So if you slide the actual collector cell out of the housing, this is what it looks like. And there's usually a handle. Once you shut the power off, you take off that front cover, pull out the collector cell assembly that you see here. And you can see this has a reusable pre-filter that you can wash off, dry, and reuse. So here's an exploded view. There's your pre-filter. There's your post-filter. And this is your collector cell assembly, which consists of oppositely charged plates and these high voltage wires indicated in red in this picture. So basically the way these electronic air cleaners work is the collector cell attracts dust particles to them. That's why you have to rinse off or wash off that collector cell every so often. So your dirty air comes in through the pre-filter, and the high voltage wires will charge the dust particles flowing across them. And once they have that charge, they'll stick to the oppositely charged plates in the collector cell and then flow out the post filter, and you have clean air going out through your ductwork. Woo! So let's talk about install. Where exactly do these get installed? Well, in this generic graphic of a furnace, you would remove the existing pleated air filter, separate the furnace from the return plenum right here to make room for this new electronic air cleaner. Install the air cleaner, reattach the plenum to the inlet side of the air cleaner, seal and reattach the outlet side of the electronic air cleaner to the furnace. And usually these run on 120 volt to 240 volt. So it's helpful if you have a 120 volt outlet nearby that you can plug this into. There's usually some sort of switch that tells the unit when it's safe to turn on, when the furnace is actually running and the blower motor is actually running. And then of course will turn itself off when the blower shuts off. I hope this information helps you. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.